In a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, there's one topic that's been buzzing around a lot lately: artificial intelligence, or AI. You've probably heard of AI before, but there's something about it that no one seems to be talking about: the fascinating yet slightly eerie concept of AI taking over. Let's dive right into this intriguing realm of technology without any unnecessary fluff. First things first, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Well, AI is like the brainpower that machines, like computers and robots, use to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Things like problem solving, learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing patterns, and even beating us at chess. AI has got it all covered. Now, let's break this down into simpler terms. Imagine your brain as a puzzle solver. It's really good at putting pieces together, whether they're shapes, colors, or even words. Now, AI is like that puzzle solver, but it's learned how to solve an enormous variety of puzzles. However, here's where it gets both fascinating and a bit unsettling. There's this idea called the singularity. Nope, not the type you find on a math test, but rather a hypothetical point in the future when AI becomes super intelligent, like way smarter than any human. Picture it as if your calculator suddenly became a math genius and started doing equations your brain couldn't even comprehend. Okay, remember, we're not diving into a sci-fi movie here. We're talking about the real world, where AI is already doing incredible things like diagnosing diseases, driving cars, and even composing music. But if AI becomes super intelligent, there's a chance it might not need us anymore. It could start making decisions on its own, potentially even ones that affect us humans. And it's not just AI tools like ChatGPT that are a part of our daily lives. Think about virtual voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These are advanced AI systems that understand natural language and perform tasks based on our vocal commands. They can set reminders, answer questions, control smart devices in our homes, and even tell us jokes. Similarly, recommendation systems like those used by Netflix and YouTube analyze our preferences and behaviors to suggest movies, shows, or videos that we're likely to enjoy. These AI-driven technologies have become integral to our routines, streamlining tasks, and enhancing our entertainment experiences. This brings us to an ancient quote that surprisingly fits this futuristic topic: "We are all apprentices in a craft where no one ever becomes a master." That's a line from Ernest Hemingway. Now, let's translate this into AI terms. We are all learners in a realm where machines might eventually surpass us. But hold on, let's not jump to conclusions. The AI takeover scenario isn't a guaranteed outcome. It's more like a big what if. Scientists, tech experts, and ethicists are working hard to ensure that if AI does get super smart, it's used for the betterment of humanity. Think of them as the guardians of the technological galaxy, making sure that our AI creations don't turn against us. Think about it this way. It's like when you teach your younger sibling how to ride a bike. You guide them, make sure they don't crash, and celebrate their success. Similarly, scientists are guiding AI's development, ensuring it doesn't crash and lead to any unforeseen negative consequences. So, what's the bottom line here? AI is incredibly powerful and has the potential to revolutionize the world as we know it. The idea of AI becoming super intelligent and possibly taking over is a real thought that's being considered by experts, but it's not set in stone. We're on a path where the lines between human intelligence and artificial intelligence are blurring, and we have the responsibility to shape this future for the better.